husband. What he doing outside? Ayan, nagtatagtad. He killing the ants. Ants. This is the store. Kanina. Kapit na din siya mahuman. Ayan, inside. Upstairs. Kapit na din siya finish. So, surrounding over there. Ma-change na dyan na siya. Akong gamay na inside. Okay. Update. Ayan. Updated. Hello. Say hi. Say cheese. Kami na siya mahuman. Ito siya mahuman. So this one is transferred in here. So inside, updating. Hawan si imo papa dong. Abli na ang kuan. Dito wala pa. Papa? Honey, Yobo. Hello. What are you doing? The key, key. Where did you putting the key?
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator?
Put it over there.
So, ayan guys. Oh, not here. I wanna pick it up. Lucky. So, this is the water. Ang dami pang lilinisin. So, I will get the key. Ayan. Dong oh. My husband is killing the ant. He's killing the ant. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, hello. And then the water in here. And then my So my baby also. Hi. Hello. Shy. Hiding. Yeah, it's hiding. It's hiding. After that, matapos na jud, malapit na jud. Hapit na jud siya mahuman. So, I'm thinking guys, putting in here a tile in here. So, I'm thinking. And then, after that, so in here also, putting the door. So, broke this one. Because so that not going at the back. So, only, I'm making a door in here, and then supposedly so can come here, so not going like this over there at the back, and in here in front. That's so easy, no? So easy in here, look in here, putting the door. So what do you think guys? Door and in here. It's so easy to walk in. Not so far. So in here, making a cement also because they have a hole. So needed cement also, flooring in here. Flooring side by side. And there also. All around of the house. So like this, making like this also at the back, around like that, putting a cement over there, and then in there is putting the extension in here, putting an extension. After that, not done yet, so extension the rooftop so that the water is not inside of the store. So update later. So in here, putting the flooring, and then side by side is a block. In here also, I think like this. In here, side a higher. So and they're also putting the block side by side, making lock. So that one is closed, but if they have some people wanna inside in here, so they can inside like in here. So easy. So window over there, and then the in front of the store. A lot of process. It's not easy. No, it's not easy to build a store. Oh my god, as to build a house. It's very expensive process. Hello. Good morning, my darling. Good morning. Say hi. Hi, oy, hi, bahay. Good morning. Busy-busyhan siya guys. Busy. You're busy. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you like my video, and please press the button below notification bell, and thank you so much. Updated again later, or many days, because the construction is not yet done. So see you in the in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.